Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be making some slime, so let's get to it. First you will need some Elmer's glue, something to mix with, something to mix it in, food coloring, I'm using blue, contact solution, and baking soda. First what you need to do is pour in your glue into your container. I'll pour in glue. Next, you will need to add your color. So don't add, I'm going to add one drop because I want a light blue. Yeah, it just got everywhere and it came out everywhere, so I'm just going to use it. It got everywhere though. So now mix your food color and your glue up. Mix it up. And it came out dark blue. Or dark blue. Came out dark blue. So now that you have mixed your color up with your with your food coloring, take some baking soda and pour it in your hand and pour some in it and pour some in there. So once you've mixed all of that in, when you pour your baking soda in, mix it up very well, and don't pour a lot in there. Just pour a little at a time. Just pour a little at a time. I'm going to take some and pour it in, then mix it up. And it should be looking like it's performance, and it shouldn't be looking like it's forming slime yet, because to make it turn into slime is your contact solution. That's what makes it turn into slime, but the baking soda helps it. It kind of looks like paint. So once you have added that in, you now want to add in some contact solution. You just pour it in little by little, because if you pour too much, your slime will not be stretchy at all how you want your slime to be. So just mix it, and it should be, if you add enough, it should be turning into slime, and it should be looking like it's forming slime. So just mix it for a long time and mix. So I'll be back when it's finished. So I've got it to come together, all together. I'm just mixing it so it can get all in a spoon, so I can pick it up with my hands. So now I'm going to pick it up with my hands and knead it. Alright, I got it all off the spoon. Picking up out of the bowl because still in there, and if it's still some in there, just pick it up with the slime. And now knead it with your hands. And it'll be really stretchy and soft, feel like slime. And yeah, so this is how you make slime, and it's really stretchy. and it's not sticky. It's really not sticky. So yeah. So thanks for watching my video, and bye.